Hello, this is PJ and this is 30-day LeetCode challenge in PHP level difficulty easy. I came across this problem and I always choose problems by clicking this pick one button, so it's like a shuffle. And I came across this one. Given two strings arrays, word1 and word2, return true if two arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. A string is represented by an array if the array elements concatenated in order forms the string. So here we have an example: ABC, ABC. And this is true because concatenated, both of them give ABC. So this is very simple to me, but I thought I would still record it, and let me know in the comments whether that sounds simple to you as well, because I'm not sure whether this should be even like easy problem to solve. But anyway, I thought I would still record it. So this is problem number 18 on my 30-day LeetCode challenge. So let's have a look. So basically what we need to do is just concatenate these two arrays, and the way we could do it is just implode word1, and the same we can do with word2, and then basically array is going to become a string, and then we will return now if word1 equals word2, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. So as you can see, there's 3 lines of code, and I think this will work. So let's try to run this code. Yeah, and that works. And let's try to run on these all examples. Okay, that has been accepted, and then now let's try to submit it. Okay, yeah, faster than 75% of PHP submissions. Very simple. Yeah, so that is solved. Let me know in the comments if you have any other suggestions about this, or any other comments, or any comments in general about this problem, whether it sounds simple for you as well. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next challenge. Thank you very much. Bye bye.